In this video, we're going to see a bit more of the conditional formatting. So I have a question here ready here. It says use conditional formatting to find out how many times Fahim has purchased something and highlight them. Okay. Now, if we wanted to find out how many times Fahim has purchased something from here, we could have done it in another way. I don't know if you remember or not. We could have used filters to find it out. For example, here we go. Let's go to home, go to sort and filter, and then we go to choose filter. Now from name, we are just going to check Fahim, and we're going to click on OK. There we go. So from here we can see Fahim has purchased once, twice, thrice, and 4 times. 2 times in 2016 and twice in 2018. Here are the months and which products he has purchased. Now let's now the question doesn't say to use it like that. We could have done it like that, and then we could have applied color. Let's do it again. Let me just show you. There you go, Fahim. Okay. Now we select the cells. Now we give a color to them. There you go. Now we undo the highlight, and this is how we could have done it using filter, but we're going to learn to do the same thing using conditional formatting. So let me just undo it. Before we undo it, there you go. Choose the cells, give the automated color. There you go. Click on OK. Now let's get rid of the filter. There you go. We have gotten rid of the filter. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use conditional formatting to do it. Now let's first select the range of cells. Then you go to conditional formatting. In the previous video we have seen all these other formattings. Today we're going to see new rule. So we go to new rule, and then we're going to choose use a formula to determine which cell to format. There we go, this one. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give the equal sign, and then we're going to give C7 because our range starts from C7, and then equals to, and then we write we give this cell here. So this cell it is actually taking this one as an absolute value, and that is what we want. So what is happening here is equal to C7 means the range you have selected, the check is going to start from the cell C7, and the check is going to be that if any of the cells in this range are equal to whatever is in this cell, meaning are equal to this cell. If those cells are equal to this cell, then the format is going, this format is going to be shown. So we have not set any format yet. We have to set a format. Let's go to format. You can give fonts, you can give borders. I'm just giving fill. So in fill, I'm just taking the blue color here, then click on OK. So this is the fill that is going to be shown if the condition matches here. Now click on OK. Our conditional formatting is done, but nothing has happened because we haven't put in anything in this I5 cell. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in, let's copy that and let's paste it here. There you go. You can do it like that, but if you do that, the cell here also gets color. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write it. There you go, hit enter, and now as you can see, the conditional formatting has been applied to all the cells that contain the name Fahim. But that is not what we wanted. We also want the colors, the formatting to be in the year, month, and product column, and not in only the name column. Okay, so we're going to fix that problem. Now to fix it, before we fix that, let's just clear this one. There we go, we have cleared the formula. Let's cut it for now. There you go. Again, we select the cells here. We go to conditional formatting, we go to new rule, and here you're going to go to use a formula to determine which cells to format. And if you're wondering about the rule for 5 rules mentioned above, we have already covered them in the previous video. So you haven't watched the previous video, you can go and watch that. Okay, now we're giving equals to, now I'm going to give $, and then C, and then 7, meaning we are locking the column C. Okay, so column C is locked, but the rows are not locked, and the rows of searching starts from row 7. okay, of the selected range. That would mean the search will start from column C, row 7, and end at column C, row 20. Okay, so only the C column and the entire rows of 7 to 20 is going to be searched, and if the search is found equal to this cell, then the format that is going to be displayed is going to be, let's give it the same color again, click on OK, it's going to be color blue. Now if you wanted to, you could also give it a border, any kind of border you wanted. Then you could have changed the font as well, and there are many other options. Okay, so let's just click on OK and then click on OK. There we go. Now I just need to write the name here. There you go, fine, and hit enter. And now as you can see, the not only the name but also the year, month and product has been highlighted for the customer named Fahim. Okay, so that is how you can use conditional formatting to highlight something like that. Now if I changed from Fahim, now let's say I want to know how many times Grinch has bought something, so I just write Grinch and hit enter. Sorry, my spelling was off. There we go. Now it is also doing the same for Grinch. Now the fun fact is, if you change the name here to, let's just say, Tom, the conditional formatting is no longer applied for this cell because the name has been changed. Okay, so that was it. That was all for conditional formatting. I hope you got to understand what conditional formatting is, how you can use that, and thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.